Hi, good morning everyone. I'm going to present the education system in India. I want to share some matters related to education system in India, history of education system in India, type of education system, advantages, drawbacks, and Indian versus foreign education system. What the suggestions improved by the Indian education system. First of all, education is the process of learning or getting of knowledge, skills, values, and habits of essential needs of life. Education system is a differ from one another and another country. Not all the countries are the following the same education system. Some history related to education system in India is earlier education system is commenced under supervision of gurus. We are all know about the Gurukula system. There is no special classrooms or laboratories are there in older days. The house of gurus are placed to learn and it is called the Vedanilaya. In olden days, the teachers has to choose the student to whom they want to teach the skills. There is no fee or any prizes given to the guru's instead of that life. Long benefits will be provided by the students to his guru. There is a number of types of education system followed in India. There is the national education policy of education system was framed in the year 1986 and it was amended in the year 1992. The scheme named as Rashtriya Madhyamika Abhiyan was established in the year 2009, and the main aim of this scheme is everyone can able to easy access to secondary education and to improve the quality of education system. The new education policy is formed in the year 2016 to bring a big revolutionary changes in Indian education system. There is some advantages of Indian education system is by comparing with other countries only in India, every student have basic knowledge about all the subject. Second one is only schools in India follow the regular attendance method so that students will gain basic knowledge about their daily habitation and life needs. Students go through many exams in their learning years. It teaches them to analyze their own strengths and weaknesses consistently. There is some drawbacks in Indian education system. First one is in India, up to 85% of the students were used to memorize the content in the books and used to write the same words in the exams. The method called as mug-up method. Next one, only 18% of the students were used to understand the concept of the subject and can able to answer in their own words. This is very small level. The syllabus is mostly in the form of theoretical basis. There is only few subjects contains practical contents. Next one is in only in India, the quality of education is depending upon the money and politics. These two things rules and the education nowadays and makes the education as a corporate business in India. Still in the 21st century, in the modern world in India, not everyone has sufficient need to access the schools and higher studies. There is a major differences between the Indian and foreign education system is we used to compare our India with our countries, with other countries in other facilities and laws, and then why we are not comparing our education system with the foreign countries. But fortunately, I'm comparing to foreign countries in India, we had Dhirubhai Ambani, who proved that a common man can become a billionaire. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who dared to build missiles for India. A foreign education system leads the students to get international recognized qualifications so that the students can look forward a good career prospects when they complete their education. I want to conclude myself is with the effective learning system, India can successfully utilize its vast human resources by that the dream of our youngster hero, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you.